So good morning. Myself Karibasa Pahar, Government Engineering College, Kushalnagar. So let us start with the third session, experiment number 3, design and implement of 4-bit parallel adder and subtractor using IC 7483 and BCD to XS3 code conversion using 7483. Basically, this experiment is deal with 4-bit adder IC 7483. Okay, basically it is a 4-bit adder. A is a 4-bit, B is a 4-bit. You can perform addition of A with B and give the result sum S0, S1, S2, S3 and carry out. Okay, along with the control pin, so it can both addition as well as subtraction can be performed. Okay, let us start with experiment. So this is IC 7483 4-bit parallel adder. This is IC 7486 exclusive OR gate. We are using the exclusive OR gate because so this can give the input to a B. It may be direct or it's two complement notation based upon the control pin of 7483. Okay. So let us give VCC and ground, pin number 5 VCC, pin number 12 ground, pin number 7 of 7486 it is ground, pin number 14 of 7486 VCC. So power supply connection is over. Now you can give the A input A1, A2, A3, A4. Pin number 10 of 7483 it is A1, A2 it is connected to pin number 8, A3 connected to pin number 3, A4 connected to pin number 1, A input of 7483. Similarly, B input B1 connected to pin number 1 of exclusive OR gate, B1 connected to pin number 12 of exclusive OR gate, B2 is connected to pin number 9 of exclusive OR gate, B3 connected to pin number 6 of exclusive OR gate, B4 connected to pin number 1 of exclusive OR gate. Okay, so these 4 inputs corresponds to B1, B2, B3, B4, A1, A2, A3, A4. A1, A2, A3, A4 it is direct input to 7483, whereas B1, B2, B3, B4 are input to exclusive OR gate, output of exclusive OR gate connected to B input of 7483. Now another input of exclusive OR gate, pin number 2. Pin number 2 is connected to pin number 5. Pin number 5 is connected to pin number 10. Pin number 10 is connected to pin number 12. So 13. Pin number 13 it is connected to pin number 13 of 7483, that is a control pin. So if you make this particular pin control pin is equal to 0, it is an adder. If it is a 1, it is subtract. Now you can connect output of 7486, pin number 3 it is connected to pin number 16 of 7486. Pin number 6 pin number 6 of 7486 pin number 8 of 7486 is connected to pin number 7 and pin number 11 is connected to 11 of 7483. So this completes the circuit connections wiring of 4-bit parallel order cum subtractor. Okay, so that means B1, B2, B3, B4 are the input to exclusive OR gate. Output of exclusive OR gate are direct or 2's complement, that depending upon the control pin. If it is a 0, that is whatever the B1, B2, B3, B4, that is just transferred to a input of B of 7483 and A input connected to a 7483. Now you can check the result. So now you can connect the output. This is C0, most significant bit. It is connected to pin number 14. S4, pin number 15. S2, pin number 6. S1, pin number 9. Pin number 9, S1, S2 is pin number 6, S2, S3, pin number 2, S3 and S4, pin number 15. Cout is pin number 14. Okay. So now the wiring connections of 4-bit parallel order cum subtractor is over. This is a B input, this is A input, this is S output. This is a control pin. It is C in. If it is 0, it is adder. Now, so I will check the output conditions. If A is 0, B is 0, your sum is supposed to be 0. Okay, it is A is 0, there is no LEDs off, indicates logic 0. So here is LEDs off, logic 0. Okay, if A is 0, B is 0, 0 plus 0 will get result is 0. Now I keep A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1. So 0 plus 1 will get result is 1. Now if A is 0, B is 3, 0 plus 3, you can get 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, it is 3. Now A is 0, B is 7, 0 plus 7, 0, 0, 1, 7. If A is 0, B is 15, B is 15, 1, 1, 1, 1 with 0, 0, 0, so we will get 15. So now if you keep the B input is equal to 15, so add 1 to the 15, so 15 plus 1, you should get 16. See, 1 followed by 4, 0, that is 16. 1 plus 15, so 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 15, 15 plus 1, 16. Now 16, now if A is 3, it is 0, 1, 1, B is 1, 1, 1, 1, that is 15 plus 3, it is 18. 16 plus 2, 18. 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. So in this way, so because of 2 inputs, 4 inputs, A is a 4 input, B is a 4 input, there is 4 plus 4, 8, 2 to the power of 8 possible combination of input can apply, then you can verify the result. Now coming to a subtract part. So for subtraction circuit, I have to keep this Cin is equal to logic 1. If Cin is equal to 1, your Cout, you already have taken a borrow, that indicates logic 1. So you are concentrating on A input with B input. A is 0, B is 0, 0 minus 0, difference is 0, borrow is 0. Okay, 1 minus 0. A is 1, B is 0, 1 minus 0, result is 1. It is 0, 0, 0, 1, so result is 1. If A is 3, B is 0, 3 minus 0, so we will get 3. Similarly, 7 minus 0 will get 7. 15 minus 0, A is a 15, B I will keep it as 0. 15 minus 0, 15. So I will apply B is equal to, instead of 0, 0, 0, I will keep B is equal to 1. 15 minus 1 will get 14. 15 minus 2 will get 13. 8 plus 4 plus 1, 13. 15 minus 3, it is 12. 1, 1, 0, 0. In this way, so you can apply A and B for different possible combinations. You can check the result. But in this case, so if subtracting smaller number from larger number, your result is straightforward. If you see the case in the reverse process, that means if you keep both A 0, B 0, C 0, providing the C is equal to 1, A minus 0 will get result is 0. So I will keep A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1. So 0 minus 1, it is minus 1. So that means carry out is equal to 0 indicates result is negative with its 2's complement. If you convert this 1, 1, 1, 1 using 2's complement conversion, okay, by taking 1's complement, adding 1 to 1's complement, you will get 2's complement. So 1, 1, 1, 1 corresponds to minus 1. Okay, this, how do you get minus? If the carry out is equal to 0, that indicates result is negative with its 2's complement. 2's complement of the obtained number. 2's complement of this number is converting 1's complement, adding 1, then you can get 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay, it is 0 minus 1. If it is 0 minus 3, you will get minus 3. So how do you get this minus 3? So because carry out is equal to 0, result is negative. You are getting 1, 1, 0, 1. If you convert into 2's complement, so you will get 0, 0, 1, 1. So that is minus 3. So in this way, so you are conclude that subtraction as well as addition by changing this mode control pin to 0 and 1. Now coming to a conversion of BCD to XS3 code conversion using 7483. Okay, so in the same order circuit I am modified such that I have to keep this C is equal to 0 and keep the B input to a constant, that is 0, 0, 1, 1. Okay, B3, B2 connected to logic 0, B1 and B2 connected to logic 1. So that gives, I keep the B input to a constant to logic 1. Okay, then by varying the A input, so your A input should be a valid BCD input. Okay, so there are 10 valid BCD inputs are from 0, 0, 0, 0 to 1, 0, 0, 1 are the 10 valid BCD numbers. For the corresponding XS3 code, so by adding 3 to the BCD, we can get XS3 code. Now, if the BCD is 0, 0, 0, 0, for the corresponding access code is 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 3. If the BCD is 0, 0, 0, 1, XS is 0, 1, 1, 1. Okay, for that, just I modify the same circuit. So these two are 1, 1. I'll change these two logic 1 permanently, short these two connected to VCC, and these two are logic 0 connected to a ground, and remove the carry out. Okay, this is a control pin. So if it is equal to 0, it is a BCD to XS3 code converter. So now let us verify the truth table. So see, if A is 0, B is 0, C is 0, D is 0, only there are 4 input BCD and XS3 code. If it is 0, 0, 0, result is 3. If it is 1, 4. If it is 2, 5. If it is 3, 3 plus 3, 6. If it is 4, 4 plus 3, 7. 5, 5 plus 3, 8. 6, 6 plus 3, 9. 7, 7 plus 3, 12. 8, 1, 0, 0, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 1, 0, 1, 1. 8, 9, 9 plus 3, 12. So these are only a 9 possible combination of excess BCD to excess 3 code. If we give, because of 4 input, there are 16 possible combinations. Okay, the remaining combination of 9 are invalid BCD numbers. So we need not to give the input like after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, if we give it, so we will get some output that is not the corresponding valid BCD input for the corresponding excess 3 code. Okay. So second part is excess 3 code to BCD conversions. Okay. So the same circuit can be modified by changing the control pin Cin is equal to 0 to make it to 1. So that acts as a subtractor. Okay. Because we need excess 3 to BCD. So in order to get back the BCD code from excess, you have to subtract 3 from excess 3 code. The excess 3 code start with 0, 0, 1, 1. 3 minus 3 we can get 0. 4 minus 3 will get 1. So it is nothing but subtract 3 from the valid excess 3 code. Okay. So start from 0, 0, 1, 1 is the excess 3 code. 3 minus 3 we get the result is 0. If it is 4, 4 minus 3, 1. If it is 5, 5 minus 3, 2. If it is 6, 6 minus 3, 3. If it is 7, 7 minus 3, 7 minus 3, it is 4. It is 8 minus 3, it is 5. 9, 9 minus 3, it is 6, 0, 1, 1, 0, 6. Then 10, 1, 0, 1, 0. 10 minus 3, 7. Then 11, 1, 0, 1, 1. 11 minus 3, 8. Then 1, 1, 0, 0. So 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay, these are the valid excess 3 code 1, 1, 0, 0. 12 corresponds to 9. So if we give 12 plus 1, 13, so you are getting something, it is not a valid BCD number, because valid BCD numbers are the one in which it is count from 0 to 9. If anything is more than 9, it is a invalid BCD code. Hence, your maximum input can apply start from 0, 0, 1, 1, 3 to 1, 1, 0, 0 by keeping this mode pin is equal to logic 1. Okay, hence you are verifying this truth table of excess 3 code to BCD output. Start from 0, 0, 1, 1 input. You can check the output 0, 0, 0, 0. Yes, I verified. So in this way you can apply all the input possible combination by changing the toggle switch, provided keep this Cin is equal to logic 1 and observe the result. See, if it is 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, then outputs are 0, 0, 0, 0. Now 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, you will get the result is 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. So hence verified conversion of excess 3 to BCD code. This complete the experiment number 3 code conversion using 7483 and addition and subtraction of 4 bit using 7483 with external gate 7486.